What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It is so good to be back because honestly the past week or two I've just been doing a bunch of, I guess what you would call busy work, because I've been trying to figure out how to mount the front bumper without using the crash bar. So I've been working on making some little pieces of metal that I'm going to use to mount the bar without the crash bar, because that's where the intercooler is going to be running in the future. So I figured I might as well start trying to figure out how to make it right now. Another thing I've been doing is still looking for OEM parts for the hatch, because this bumper that I got from Certifit is just too big. I think they gave me a sedan one, because on this side I have it flush up with the fender, but then on this side it just has a massive overhang. So I think the place just messed up and gave me a sedan one, but luckily I found a guy on Facebook, the only guy in the whole area, but I was able to get the bumper off of him. He had it on a SI shell as well. So I got the bumper, and he was also cool enough to give me the crash bar along with that one, because if you remember on mine, right here on the passenger side, it has the damage from the accident that happened on the passenger side. And not only did I get the bumper from him, I was also lucky enough to get a replacement hood, because on mine it had damage right here from the accident as well. And I figured, instead of, you know, trying to body work the one that I had to get it to this point where this one's at, because this one's, other than the paint on this one, it's super straight, no damage to it. It's pretty much just ready to sand down and ready for paint, honestly. So yeah, I'm super happy that I was able to find those parts and get them off of him. But today's video I'm excited about, because we're finally gonna focus on just getting all the new body panels that we have on the car and seeing how the gaps are finally gonna fit, to see if we're gonna have to do any moving around to get them to, you know, where they need to be. Alright guys, the new bumper is on, and right away it looks so much better already. I got it tied down with these bolts along the top and the screws on the side, so it's flush here and flush on the passenger side now. So time to move on to the bumper filler. We're left to the last thing, which is the hood that I got right here. And it's honestly the thing that I'm most scared about, because when I had the old one on there, it was just so out of whack and the lines weren't really matching up that well. So now that we got all this fit up, I'm hoping that it will allow the hood to sit a little bit better.
You know, peep the Zubas, peep the Automart wrist.
Alright guys, well, we got the hood on here, and although it looks pretty good on camera, we are gonna have to do a little bit of adjusting, because if you can see, the gaps here towards the top of the fender look pretty good, but then when you get down here, it's, I don't know, about ½ an inch I guess over here. But the problem is that I think from the impact, hold this one.
Gotcha.
From the impact on this side, you can see from the bumper filler how it's closer on this side and then it opens up over here. So I think what I'm gonna have to do the next time that I work on this, I'm gonna try to probably hook a ratchet strap to the tree and then wrap it right there and try to pull it to see if I can straighten it out and then that way I don't have to cut anything or make any modifications, because I'm trying to keep this as clean as possible. So we'll leave that for next video though. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.